Hi everyone, my name's Nicole,
I'm Erica.
and we're product developers here at Really Good Stuff, and we're also former teachers. And we put a lot of work into creating subscription boxes for our company. Our subscription boxes are $29.99 a month, and they're made for 36 students every month. We also have a loyalty program where you can get rewards and discounts if you sign up for our box.
So we want to tell you all about this Apple theme box that we've come out with. But before we do that, we want to hear about some themes you might like to see in the future. So comment below, let us know what types of themes you'd like to see, because we're going to be giving away
10 free boxes.
not just one, but 10. So make sure you comment, let us know what types of themes you'd like to see in the future. So what do you think? Should we take a look?
Let's do it.
All right, let's see what's in here. So in every subscription box, there's a little paper. It tells you what type of supplies for the classroom, for the students, and for the teacher. I want to show you a couple of the items that are for the teacher in this box. This first item is a lanyard. As you can see, it's very cute. You could, have your ID badge, your recess whistle, that type of thing. Anything you need to carry, hands-free, this is good for. This other item, it's really good stuff, needs to have a notepad. You could write yourself notes, you could write notes to parents, that type of thing. Anything you need to write down, this is a great place for it.
Then for our students, we're going to start with our pencils. So we have these really cute Apple themed pencils that each student will get. You can use these in a variety of ways. You could put them in your prize box, save them for holidays, anything throughout the entire year. Then for the kids, we also have these fun bags, which are also Apple themed. You could use them for projects. You could give them treats. Maybe at the beginning of the year you want to have one ready on their desk. Or you could use it really for anything throughout the entire school year. If you just need a bag, you'll have these.
Cool. Is there still more for the students?
There is.
Oh my God.
We also have these name tags. Beginning of the school year, obviously teachers and students need to learn each other's names. So these are great for that. And then we have 36 of them, and you probably don't have that many students. So you can use the extras as labels throughout the classroom.
That's super. That's awesome. So let's take a look at some of the items for the whole classroom. This is a pencil basket, and what's exciting is you might get a green one, you might get a red one, or even a yellow one. But these are great. They obviously hold pencils. But you could always use these in your classroom, so you could put anything you want in them. But great for any room.
Also for the classroom, could you hold these for me?
Sure.
We have these binder clip stickers. So here Erica can show you, you get a ton of them. And we brought a binder clip with us to show you. They go on the binder clip, so you can write something on the end here. I always used to put these on my mailboxes and with student names. It was a great way to organize that. Or you can actually stick them on this side.
Nice.
If you want to use them to organize like papers, like you could write papers graded or papers that need to be graded.
You could get very organized with these.
Great way to organize,
Very
and
cool.
teachers love organizing.
Yes. All right. So one of the products that I'm most excited about in this box is these icebreaker cards. And even if you've had your first day of school already, you could use these anytime during the school year, even after winter break, morning meeting, that type of thing. So guess what? I'm gonna have you pick one. We can play. We can see
Great.
what
Let's do
somebody
it.
say.
Okay.
Ooh, tell us which holiday you like to celebrate the most.
I would have to say the 4th of July.
Yes.
Because we always have fun celebrations, and it's my brother's birthday.
Nice. So there's a ton here, as you can see. I think there's 36 or more. But once again, these are great to use in any classroom. You could even use them not just with students, but with staff too.
Okay. And I know that's your favorite, but this is my favorite. Here at Really Good Stuff, we don't like to waste anything, so our beautiful paper wrap, we actually turned into a little poster to use in the classroom.
It's cool.
So at the top here it says, we plant seeds that we need to grow. This year, here's what we want to know.
Cute.
So it's a great way for the teacher to kind of get to know her students. They could just brainstorm different things and write them on the poster and display it.
Cool. So speaking of not wanting to waste anything here, Really Good Stuff, the card that tells you the contents of the box also has this side that you can pop out the center, and it makes for a really cute photo prop. You can take pictures of your students, even staff members, and create a really cute bulletin board like anytime during the school year. So this is really fun.
And you know what's really cool about that?
What?
On here, it tells you, you can actually hashtag RGS box And so you can see other people who got this box and who took pictures as well, and you can share your photo with them.
Cool.
So I love that.
So how do I get all of this stuff besides commenting and winning one for free?
So if you'd like to sign up for our subscription box, you can visit us at www.reallygoodstuff.com/box.
Don't forget to comment.
And don't forget, if you sign up, you get to be part of our loyalty program.
Nice.
Thanks.